part 2. So I didn't actually find any hairstyles, but I just think I should do because I don't know any hairstyles to do, and I don't want to do all of them hairstyles out to me. I'm kosher. My hair is not long like that. So I'm gonna wear this because with the skirt because I'm gonna wear I wear this yesterday, but I just think I could wear it tomorrow. Also, because I'm gonna also go to a birthday party. I don't know. So yeah, see how it's been an hour and I forgot that I was on a call. I mean, making a video. And I wear these earrings. So, yeah. Sorry guys.